same. Hold on. Don't. Something come out and grab me. I wasn't having that, you know what I'm saying? No, what's in here? Yep. Real crazy.
See, what's name trying to get it cheap as done as possible. He'll tear out something else and then call us back again.
Hey, look, we dying out here. What y'all doing? Just trying to figure out why. Talk to me.
I mean, what was it? I mean, what is it that got bugs just dying out here? You know what I mean?
I wonder.
Yeah. Sir.
It must have been one of the above that got him hit with a hot slug. Look at him now, he's covered in blood. Damn, he died in the streets that he once loved. All for the street fame and just because. Now are we really born to die? And if so, then why do mothers always seem to cry? Jada asked why, but now I want the answer. How did the gods of the earth become cancer? Was it the way he approached the bench? With his eye 3 times a cold sign of a snitch? Or was it the way he lusted for that trick? Stabbed his own mans in the back for that trick? Or was it the way he exposed himself as he sold himself and redeemed his wealth? Or was it the way he took kindness for weakness? Stuck up on him from the blind side, just should have seen.
Was it the
music, the money, the women, the booze?
Was it the
house you call, your clothes, your jewels?
Was it the
way you walk, the way you talk
that got you
laid out, outlined in chalk?
Folks standing outside like they flossing. They invested the case, the gunman off him. He was running his mouth, that dirty talk cost him. Ambulance tried to fix him, but they lost him. A few hours before that, his life was good. He kept shady broads around him outside the hood. The bar life got him, sexy broads with big bottoms, big heels and big tops like Kim Fields. His money's long and his alcohol is strong. He can handle his liquor, so don't get it wrong. He pressed up on the wrong trick, drunk and dirty. His jewels are swinging, his watch read 4:30. He took the big booty to a spot for the groupies, but she had a group and her bait was the coochie. He met the gunman that set him up for the Lucci. That liquor had him talking reckless like niggas shooting. Blah!
Say you can get you not no snapshot of it.
Last time he said something fell out of it. He said some magnet fell out of it.
Oh, man, this is dead. That's what it is. That's what them funky smell is. Dead man. Right there.
I seen his head.
Man,
It was mice or rats.
not
Nice.
mice.
No wonder it was so funky. You say you were getting that funky maggot? Huh?
You say the maggots, he
Yeah, well, they done been in their bed so long.
You
Maggots.
said another one?
Another one? That's good. I want that funky stuff. I can screw the rest of that shit right up. Thank you, sir.
Mhm.